Hey guys, I'm BK. In this video, we're gonna learn machine learning. This video is totally for beginners because I am also the beginner. So I'm gonna teach you machine learning. Okay, let's get started. First of all, what is machine learning? If you don't know anything about machine learning, what you can to do is you just search on Google what machine learning is. So Google tells the answer. This is called machine learning, but you guys will not understand what is machine learning because you are new at machine learning, so that you can't understand. So I'm gonna tell you a simple story. So this story will help you to understand what machine learning is, how it works. By using machine learning, what we can do. Okay, let's get started. Imagine you have a big box of colored balls. Some are red, some are blue. You also have a friend who tells you the color of each ball. Now, one day your friend goes away and you left with a bunch of balls, but you don't know their color. You really want to figure out if they are morely like to be a red or blue. This is where machine learning comes in. You remember how your friend used to tell you which color each ball was, and you can use those past example to teach a computer to guess the number, guess the color of the new balls. You guys understand what machine learning is? Yeah. So you are teaching to the computer, then you are getting the answer from the computer. It's like an exam. If you are a student, first what you need to do, you need to study, then you need to do exam. So this is what we are doing in machine learning. So what are the things are need if you do a machine learning stuff? The first is data, which is the input, like a past data or historical data. And second thing is training the model, which is a teaching to the computer by using your old data, like a past data, and make the prediction. Then, like, make the prediction mean you are expecting the prediction from the computer because you are trained the model, right? Then finally check the result. So this is how machine learning works. I hope you guys will understand what machine learning is, how it works. Okay, we're gonna see a simple example by using Python package. That story, there are red ball, there are blue ball. How that friend find which one is a red, which one is a blue? I asked that friend. He said it's very easy. You can use a sklearn package in Python. It tells you which one is a red, which one is a blue. So I decided to use sklearn package from sklearn.tree, which is a module import decision tree classifier, which is a function or method. Now I have a past record, which is a ball weight. If the ball is 10 to 15 kg, that is red. If the ball is 16 to 20 kg, that is a blue. We have two variable, one is weight, another one is a ball. I'm storing a weight data in weight variable. I'm storing the color data in balls variable. We are using a decision tree classifier, which is a function. I'm storing it in CLS variable. The decision tree classifier, I am passing a two data, that is the input data, which is a weight, and another one is a ball. Now I need to predict if the ball is 12 kg, what ball color would be. I need to find 12 kg ball, so I am storing it in ball weight variable. The final thing is prediction. The prediction is equal to cls.predict ball weight. So now we go into predict. Yeah, finally we got the correct answer. If the ball is 10 to 15 kg, the ball is red. So here we are asking if the ball is 12 kg, what color ball would be? The ball color is red. So we got the correct answer. We all know if the ball is 16 to 20 kg, that is blue. Okay, I'm going to change the value 18. Now I need to find 18. Yeah, we got the correct answer, blue. Finally, we got the correct answer. This is how machine learning works. This is very simple coding. If you have any doubt on this video, let me know. I have attached my LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. Ta-da, bye bye.